Hey everyone, today I'm gonna move everything from the old laptop to the new laptop using the hardware migration method, which is moving the SSD drive itself from the old laptop to the new laptop. And why I'm choosing this method only, not the traditional software migration tool, which is copying all the files from the hard number 1 to the hard drive number 2, because moving the SSD drive itself from the old laptop to the new laptop saves all the Windows key and the Microsoft Office key and all the license for every program without the need to reinstall the license again, especially when you forget or the license, maybe you are using the OEM license that came officially with the laptop without any product key in your hand. For all the programs, actually, the Windows, the Office, the antivirus, and every program you have installed previously on the old laptop. And also in my case, there is no need to change the SSD NVMe because it's Gen 4 and I will move it to another laptop with Gen 4 SSD. And especially for my own case here, I need to save all the apps, works perfectly immediately without doing anything, just installing the drive and power on the laptop without adjusting anything, because as you know, the license and product keys, the OEM ones, and the actual ones you purchase without having them in your hand, maybe you lost them for any reason, they are tied to the SSD drive itself. So here's the laptops, both the old one and the new one, which is the Dell G15 latest Intel Gen, and I have previously disassembled them just to make this video a little short. So here is the NVMe that we need to move to the new laptop that I already disassembled here in this exact position, and just turn on the laptop and let's see what's gonna happen. And I'm gonna connect this. Yes. And add this tiny screw here. And I think we are ready now to start the laptop. And there is a really important tip that I forgot at the beginning of the video to say. Just you need to unplug the battery before you proceed on anything on a laptop motherboard. You need to disconnect the battery, but now I'm connecting it because I just finished connecting the drive. Just start the laptop and it says the reset that time and BIOS. Just press continue and let's see what's gonna happen. Because I just migrated the laptop from it was Ryzen and now it's Intel. So oh wow, I will gonna get this code and come back. Okay, now I have entered the code and it's working. So getting devices ready is basically installing the needed files for Intel CPU to boot up, because the previous laptop was Ryzen. And what? Now I have entered the code for, okay, it's booted up. But after the second attempt for entering the BitLocker code, after installing the drivers for the Intel i7 that automatically installed, it requested me to enter the BitLocker code again. And actually we are using the BitLocker because it's the best way to save your SSD or hard drive, just to keep your data safe if you lose your laptop. And anyone try or attempt to get the data from your SSD or drive or HDD, it won't open without that BitLocker 16 letter code, or 16 number or 20 number. I can remember, but it's very long number and it's hard to be decrypted unless you are the owner of the device. Now we are inside the Windows and I can see all the files and data all good together, and I just connected the laptop to the Wi-Fi to check the Windows activation. If the Windows activation works, then every other license or product key or activation will work fine. Okay, it's just recognized the SSD and the laptop and authorized everything together without me doing anything. Just waited for few minutes and all works fine, and everything will be activated with its own product key and OEM keys. Now I'm gonna check the Microsoft Office Word. Okay, here is an important one last thing you need to do to make sure everything works fine. So go to the C drive and you will see the AMD file. This is really important to do. Shift delete actually this file forever, because you really need this. because if not, you will keep receiving the BitLocker message to make sure you are the owner of the computer. So all you need to do is to remove this AMD file. Okay, finally, now after too many attempts to restart and activate this thing with the email that linked to it, it's just got activated and everything looks fine. If you by any chance find this video helpful and simple for you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I'm the Technician Booker and I will keep posting my daily tasks here in my work on YouTube. So I hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.